Alright, imagine this. You get pulled over, the cops search you, and suddenly they pull out something so bizarre that they even have to do a double take. Well, today we're diving into the weirdest, most mind-blowing things ever found in people's pockets when they got arrested. Some of these are hilarious, others are downright disturbing. So stick around because you won't believe what made the list. Alright, first up, let's talk about a man in Florida because, let's be honest, of course this happened in Florida. Officers in Florida arrested a suspect on illegal substance charges, but when they searched him, they found a live squirrel in his pocket. Now, I don't know about you, but carrying a twitchy, potentially rabid animal in your jeans sounds like a bold choice. The best part though, he claimed it was his emotional support squirrel. You believe that? Number 2, the human toe mystery. Moving on, this next case is, well, unsettling. When police arrested a man in Canada for trespassing, they found something in his pocket that left everyone speechless. A human toe. Yep, just chilling in his coat pocket like a lost piece of a jigsaw puzzle. And when questioned, he claimed he had found it and planned to turn it in. Sure, buddy, because that's exactly how normal people handle loose body parts found in the woods. And who would he have even turned it into? Alright, here's one straight out of a comedy sketch. A man in Texas was pulled over for reckless driving and officers found 2 raw, uncooked chicken breasts stuffed into his pockets. Why? Well, he refused to say. Some theories suggest he was using them as an impromptu cooling system, and others think he was, wait for it, marinating them. Either way, the officer's reaction must have been priceless. Alright, this next one is nightmare fuel. When a man was arrested in Oregon for public intoxication, police discovered he had a sealed jar full of live spiders in his pocket. What was he doing with them? Who knows? Maybe he was a collector, maybe he was planning to release them, who knows? It was some sort of arachnid surprise, and he was clearly just living out a horror movie. Alright. This one though might just take the cake. In Indiana, police arrested a man for shoplifting. During a routine search, they found a 3-foot-long python coiled up in his jacket pocket. He later admitted that he had stolen the snake from a pet store because he thought it looked lonely. Now, I mean, that's cute. I love animals as much as the next person, but maybe don't smuggle reptiles in your jacket pocket. Are snakes reptiles? In California, officers arrested a man on illegal substance charges, but when they searched him, they found what looked like a regular burrito. Inside it, it wasn't. It was some other substance. The man had hollowed out a burrito and stuffed it with these illegal substances, hoping no one would suspect his breakfast. Unfortunately though for him, the cops were hungry. And finally, we have possibly the creepiest one yet. A woman in New York was arrested for fraud, and inside her coat pocket, police found a Ziploc bag full of teeth. Where did they come from? She refused to answer. Was she a dentist, a collector, the tooth fairy gone rogue? We may never know. But just when you thought you'd seen it all, police in Arizona pulled over a driver for a minor traffic violation and found a live goldfish in a small water-filled plastic bag inside his coat pocket. When asked why, the man simply replied, "I don't want him to get lonely at home," and so I guess he was trying to be a caring pet owner. And there you have it, some of the absolute weirdest things police have found in people's pockets during arrest. Which one shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments, and if you ever heard of an even crazier arrest story, I want to hear it. And as always, don't forget to do this stuff, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.